I just called my cat a stinky little garbage goblin in front of the entire company. Weekly all-hands meeting. Camera off, mic supposed to be muted. VP of sales droning on about revenue targets. My cat jumps on my desk. I lean into my headset. Full baby voice. "Who is a stinky little garbage goblin? Is it you?" "Yes, it is." The VP stops mid-sentence. Dead silence. "Could whoever is talking to the goblin please mute their microphone?" My soul left my body. By the time I mute, the chat is flooded with Goblin Man. I'm updating my resume.